Alright, hey guys, John here, G-Force Monkeys. Today is the day we are going to begin with Misty. Today, what are we going to do? We are going to actually get her ready to actually be able to start her. So, one thing we have to do that is fix her oil dipstick. It's falling out. So, every time we try to run her, she just spews oil everywhere, and then that's pretty much it. So, today is the day for us to do that. We also might take off one of our door cards and maybe a couple other things. So, here we go.
I'm ready to get my hands dirty.
Alright, you guys, now that we got that car pulled out, Misty's sitting here. What are we going to be doing? Like I was saying, we got to work on the dipstick. So the first thing on the agenda is we're going to remove the exhaust manifold. And after we remove the exhaust manifold, we're going to see if we can screw that dipstick in there so that we can start this puppy up. Here we go. We'll keep those on. See, this is what we're putting back on right here. So, let this guy sit over here. Alright, you guys, we got the exhaust manifold off, but it's kind of wedged in there. Don't really want to mess too much with taking it off any further because I really want to take this bar off. Well, we might. We may take this bar off. We shall see. Yeah, let's take the bar off. Screw it. Bar's coming off. Down and out. Okay, well, either way. Alright, that's good enough for me. Now let's get that dipstick on. Cleaning it up. Here. The easier I can get these threads to screw in, the easier my life will be. So, best thing you can do is clean them real good. Wrong fucking dipstick. Alright, you guys, a little bit of a disappointment here. The dipstick that was given to us for this motor apparently is not the right size. So, see here, this 5/8 thread size. We need something smaller. So, we're kind of a fish out of water right now. I called Napa, they don't have one. Don't have time to go out to a parts store since we live all the way out here, so hoping maybe somebody can come save us. Fingers crossed for now, you guys, fingers crossed. Alright, you guys, we are heading in Spokane. Why? Because we gotta find ourselves a dipstick, or else we're dead fish in the water with Misty for now. So, we are getting Felicia fired up here. Action for you. There we go. We're gonna try to go to general store and hopefully they've got something for us. So we shall see. I'm actually gonna give them a call real quick. Let's see what they do. If not, we're just gonna go to a bunch of different parts stores in town. Oh, we almost forgot the dipstick too, Garrett. You wanna run in the garage and grab it? Grab the dipstick. The big whoops-a-daisy. Yeah, whoops-a-daisy. Here, you know which key it is. It's the middle one. All right, here we go. I think it's on top of the car or something. General store. Okay.
Thank you for calling the general store. If you know the extension of the person you are trying to reach, for auto, press 3 for clothing and shoes, press 1.
See if we got it. Cross your fingers. Trunk.
General store auto parts.
Hey, I am looking for a dipstick end tube for a Ford 302 motor.
An oil dipstick tube for a 302.
Yeah, an oil-filled dipstick, or an oil-check dipstick tube for a 302 Ford motor.
I believe we have one. Hang on for me. I'll have to check.
Okay. Still on hold. Hold. You should have it. General store has pretty much everything that you would ever need for drag racing, drifting.
Yeah, we have one here. It's a chrome one. It is $14.99.
Fantastic. Can you hold, I mean, I doubt someone will come grab it, but can you hold it for a Johnny? I'm on my way from Chatteroy.
Yep, that's fine. I'll leave it up on the counter here.
Fantastic. All right, we'll see you soon.
All right, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, folks, there it is. We're on our way to general store now to go get our dipstick. Fingers crossed that it works. Hey guys, we just got to general store, so we're gonna go in here and see if we can find what Misty needs. Booyah. All right, you guys, we got what we needed. Booyakasha. All right, check it out. We got this really nice dipstick here. Super nice, you can barely see it, it's just chrome. So I guess this puppy doesn't have threads either. It's something interesting, I guess it just shoves right in there, he was telling me, which will make my job a lot easier. What else have I got too? I also got some of these guys. Big block Ford. I guess the guy said these worked for small block too, but figured I'd pick these up because the other ones were all different sizes. Some had washers, some didn't. I almost got some exhaust manifold gaskets, but right now we're like budgeting it, so we're on a little bit of a more of a budget build. So I'm just gonna get those in a little while. I probably don't need those quite yet either, so yeah. All right, you guys, we'll see you when we get there.
Running right out. Nice car, bro. Love it.
All right, we are finally back. We are gonna get Misty all buttoned up here. There she is. Just waiting for her new dipstick. All right, anyways, see you in a bit. Okay, we managed to make it home. When we were at general store, we picked up some sodas. Check out these sodas. Look at that. Snozzleberry. It's pretty dang good. I like it at least. Okay. Alright, you guys, what we got here? We've got some head stud or exhaust manifold bolts. Figure we should replace them anyways, and we've got a dipstick tube here. So we're gonna get these things installed. Garrett's grabbing the other dipstick. And gonna get everything taken care of. Okay, we're gonna put the exhaust manifold back on, I think. First, I wanna see this dipstick. So, here's the dipstick that we were dealing with right here. Okay, but as you can see, ours doesn't have threads. I'll show you the other dipstick. Okay, so this is the dipstick we're working with here. Right here you can see, right there, it doesn't have any threads, it just shoves in there. Let's see what we can do. you guys. Not exactly too sure if this is the right one, but at least it's plugging the hole. According to this dipstick, our oil is way over full. I don't trust it though, but this'll do. It'll do for now. That'll do, Captain, that'll do. So hopefully it's the right one, but I have a feeling it's the wrong one. It sure does look like a small block forward. Anyways, I'm gonna replace these other bolts real fast. I officially got Misty all put back together. It's kind of a pain in the butt. I'll show you what I did. So right down here, you can see all the new stud, had the exhaust stud, or the exhaust manifold bolts. See those there? There we go. Nice and shiny. Those are the old ones that came out of it. They're just crap. It was only like 12 bucks, so that's why I got these. These are just like, I mean, the ones that are on it are just random parts. Okay. And then we got the dipstick on, but like I said, I'm not thinking that that is the right dipstick. That's all right though, because like I said, it'll at least keep the oil inside so we can drive Misty and kind of see how she does. Here she is. We've detailed the inside. I'll kind of give you a sneak peek of that real quick since I got the camera out here. Oops, rip the freaking camera. You can see. There we go. She's getting gutted though pretty soon. Got her all cleaned up, the kiddos did. These back seats are coming out, which you can't really see. Hold on. Yeah, you can't see the back seats. It's too dark in here. Well, there we have it. I'm getting Misty put together. She is a 1988 Mazda RX7 with a 302 Ford V8. At least I think that's what it is. Okay, and we also got the exhaust manifold, or the head bolts, replaced so that they're not all janky looking anymore. And after this, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna relocate this battery here. I'll show you this bad boy right here. This is what we picked up. EverStart right here, and this is the old one. And you can kind of see the difference here. The old one's probably still good. I'm assuming the alternator is not hooked up or working, because I found this wire. It's supposed to go to the alternator unhooked. So that's gonna get done. And then look at this distributor. This is one of these, I think, goes to the alternator or the ignition. The other one goes to a fan. I don't know. Anyways, she runs as she sits though, so we're gonna just go through getting things figured out, and you guys will be with us along the way. So first video of Misty getting all fixed up. All right, you guys, I'm gonna call it night. I gotta go do some studying, as you guys know. I'm in school right now. Also have a newborn baby, so bear with me. But if you guys get bored, go to gforcemonkeys.com, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and then down there in the corner there's a little monkey icon. If you click that, you can hit and subscribe. Pretty easy there. If you email us at gforcemonkeys@gmail.com, I will send you a free decal, okay? All right, you guys, have a wonderful night. I love you all. Peace out.